How to connect TikTok to Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. And here, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you can simply click on your username and it will copy by itself. After you've done that, open Facebook. In Facebook, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, click on your name. After you've clicked on your name, your profile will pop up. Simply scroll down in here and click on See Your About Info. After you've clicked on See Your About Info, it will lead you to this page. In here, click on Add Website. After you've clicked on Add Your Website, press on Add New Link at the bottom. After you've clicked on Add New Link here, click on TikTok. After you've pressed on TikTok, it will lead you to this page. In here, in the username section, paste the username you copied earlier and press on Save at the bottom. After you do that, TikTok will be added, and this is how to connect TikTok to Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.